Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl NaturallyLj. First I want to welcome all of my brand new subscribers as well as my old subscribers. Thank you guys so much for rocking out with your girl. Let me shout out my 2 Live crew. I love you guys. You guys know my 2 Live crew is my Instagram followers that come in on my lives, and we have formed a social media family. It's called NaturallyLj's 2 Live crew. So welcome. If you have not yet joined 2 Live crew, all you got to do is when you see me go live, just come on in, introduce yourself, and you're part of the family. So you guys, I'm going to jump right into this video. I'm going to try not to make this video long. Y'all forgive me. I guess I look alright today. I did a little skincare today. I'll be coming to you guys with a skincare regimen. I've been doing nothing is on my face except for a cream. I'll be doing a skincare regimen here on my channel very soon, so definitely stay tuned to that, you guys. This is probably going to be one of my most controversial natural hair videos that I've ever done, because I'm kind of ashamed of it, but then again, it is what it is. You guys know, if you've been rocking out with NaturallyLj, I keep it 110% real. Last night, basically, I discovered, and I will be inserting some pictures. I'm still learning how to edit everything, you guys. My videos are not just like the next person's. I'm me anyway, so it's not gonna be like the next person, but I'm still learning everything about editing and just trying to, you know, do the best that I can. So I did figure out how to insert some pictures. I don't know, it's actually 2 pictures, so I'm gonna insert those pictures at some point in the video and show you guys what I discovered last night. I don't know, I think I was just messing around with the nape of my hair, you guys, and basically was just kind of feeling the nape of my hair. And long story short, I'm probably going to insert the pictures now. I'm going to let you guys see what I actually went into my bathroom, got a mirror, and looked in the mirror and saw. I'm going to let you guys see it now. Okay, so I've always had a problem with the nape of my hair. But I don't know if my hair is just coming out back there, or if it's from when I had the braids. You guys know I was in protective styling, and I'm gonna tell you, this is something about me. And leave me some comments below and let me know if you guys have experienced this as well. It has always been the edges of my hair and the nape of my hair have always been like my troublesome areas of my hair. And I'm not saying it was the braids that pulled my hair out, but I honestly did not see this prior to my hair being, of course, in a protective style. And like I said last night, you know how you just be on the phone just talking, and I don't know what made me just, and it's like I couldn't wait to get off the phone so I could run into the bathroom and see what was going on. So the point of this video, you guys, is, for one, it's going to be talking about some different growth oils for your hair. I'm going to show you guys what I immediately got out and started massaging into my hair. You guys, I will say the nape of my hair, not the nape, that's the nape, that's the back of your hair. The ends of my hair, the edges, not the ends. The ends is the end of your hair. The edges of my hair, you guys, it did suffer. They did suffer when I had the protective style in, the box braids. And you guys know I really love my box braids, but I'm trying to think, is this really going to deter me away from getting box braids again ever? Because I've never had these problems, but what I've been using on my edges, you guys, of course, is, and I don't have it in here, if you guys know me, if you've been rocking out with me, and I'm sorry, my very absolute favorite edge control, and I did break my no-buy. And I did break my no-buy. Let me repeat that a 3rd time. And I did break my no-buy. And I did go buy me some more edge control, you guys, because I was absolutely out. Okay. So I had to get me some more edge control. But I have not bought any products. Like, I guess that's a product. But y'all, I had to have my edge control. Okay. I was out. And I had to buy some more. The edge control is around $10. And it is it's by The Main Choice. It is the laid back, effortlessly edge control. Y'all, I told y'all about the ambulances around here. I don't know if they training or if somebody is really in a need of ambulance. And if they do, God be with them. But you guys, so I can really tell by laying my edges down with the laid back effortlessly, you guys, that product, I'm telling you, that product, it's a difference from when I took the braids out, and I seen that some of my braids were ripping, literally ripping my edges out of my off. So I have definitely been just, if I don't do nothing at night but just massage some Jamaican black castor oil, or just, you know, especially when I lay my edges down, when I go to lay my edges down, I am 110% a believer of the Main Choice line, you guys, because that edge control, it is infused with biotin, and it really, it says while laying, I wish I had it in here. Let me make sure it's not in this bag right here, you guys. I do apologize because I have a bag right here, and it could possibly be in here, and the top of my old one is, and I better make sure that this is the top of an old one, because I need to go in my other bathroom and make sure that the top is not off. But you guys, ain't God good, okay? But this is what the top looks like for the best edge control ever. It's the laid back effortlessly. Can y'all see that? This darn light. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Growth stimulating edge control, grows edges while smoothing them. I am a firm believer. If anybody says, LJ, what did you lay your edges down with? Y'all can, I promise, can attest, until I find something better. This is the only product I use. And I say, you guys, this is just the top. This might be the top to my old one. But soon as I get off here, I'm going to go make sure that the top is not off my new one. But anyway, y'all, so that is what I use to grow my edges, and formulated to smooth your edges and grow them at the same time. I am 110% firm believer. I promise you this works. If you're looking for edge control, this video is not about the edge control. I just wanted to show you guys and tell you that I did experience some edges, some loss of my edges. But as you guys can see, you can't even really tell. But I'm still going to make sure I'm taking care of my edges. But this video is about all of the growth oils that I have here. And let me talk first about this product. This is the Dr. Miracle's Temple and Nape Grow Balm, and you're basically supposed to massage. And as you guys can see, the writing is all off, but as you guys can see, I have been definitely using this product, because I just, if anything, I just make sure that I massage with a product the back of my nape, because that is where I'm losing my hair at, and I want that to be full. I'm just trying to think the last time I wore a hyper ponytail. I don't know if it was just camouflage good, but just looking at it last night, I had actually chased to take pictures of the back of my head, and I was disappointed, because I'm like, okay, what's going on with this little hair loss back here? What's going on with, you know? So y'all, what I used last night was the Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourages growth. It's for daily use. Scalp treatment, split end treatment. You guys know I got this product, and I had already been using it. And it has like one of those little, I don't want to say it wrong. It has one of these in the inside where you basically, so what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm starting at least a 30-day challenge. And I can't just 100% say that I'm going to be using this. I'm going to try to just, I know me, I rush. I'm a rusher, you guys. I know the Main Choice has a growth oil. Kinky Tresses Nourishing Hair Oil, it says that it promotes hair growth. This is the Main Like Me hair and scalp oil. It stimulates the hair follicles. That's what I want to be done. That stimulation of the hair follicles to promote growth. Okay. And of course, black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You can never go wrong. This is empty, but this is what I put my Jamaican black castor oil in. What else? NaturallyLj Naturals is a hair growth oil. As you guys can see, the horsetail is down at the very bottom of this oil. And what else? Bask&Bloom has a stimulating herbal oil, and it nourishes and stimulates growth. So you guys, I just want to let you guys know, this is also, last but not least, the black castor and flaxseed oil is maximum hair growth. So y'all, if you ever heard of this product, and I've used it, it's pretty much gone. It's down like here. So I've definitely used this product as well. So you guys, last night what I did was took a little bit of the Mael and some Jamaican black castor oil, and for like 10 minutes before bed, I just massaged. And every night starting, last night was the 14th. So I'll come back November the 14th and give you guys an update. Like I said, the pictures have been inserted to you so you guys can see what I took last night. I took those pictures last night, October the 14th. I'm going to give myself 1 month to see if I'm taking care of my hair the way I'm supposed to be, with just making sure that if I don't do it, if I can get 5 minutes in a night. Of course, the longer you want to start massaging your edges, you guys, to stimulate that blood flow, that helps to grow your hair. It helps to grow those follicles. Those follicles will come out of your scalp, you guys, and that's what will grow your hair. I want you guys, all of the products I mentioned, it wasn't about any particular product in particular. I don't know if I'll be sticking with one of these products, or honestly, it might be a day or two that I just grab something. But I'm going to make sure that I'm massaging the nape of my hair, the nape in the back of my hair every single night, just to promote that growth. I'm gonna check back in with you guys on this matter this is actually October the 15th. I started it October 14th, which was last night, Sunday night. November, either the 14th or the 15th, though, either those 2 days, I'm gonna come back, show you guys what my 1 month results is. And what I'll do is keep note of what I use the most, because I would say, okay, I'm just going to stick with this, or I'm just going to stick with that. But I know how I am. You guys, you know how it is with just rushing, being a mother, being just working. I know I'm going to probably forget to use one thing in particular. But all of these products that I just mentioned says that it's going to do the same thing. You guys, leave me some comments below. Let me know, do you think I should just honestly stick with one product just to see? Have you guys ever had this happen to you? And like I said, this is my most controversial natural hair YouTube video that I'm doing as far as with my natural hair, because you guys, for the most part, overall my hair is healthy. It is, but I'm thinking with those braids, or either, I don't know what. And I also, you guys, I have to even be careful with wearing these. I may get my girl Siobhan I love to wear these to work, but I may need to get a couple of these to Siobhan and see if she can line them with a satin, because stuff like this, rubbing up against the edges of your hair, the nape of your hair, you guys know I absolutely love my bandanas. And I've tried to wear these not as much. These are my bandanas that I like to wear, but you have to be careful what's rubbing up against the back of your nape, the nape of your hair, and also the sides of your hair. So definitely, you guys, leave me some comments below. Siobhan, I know you're gonna watch this video. I love you, girl. I'm gonna be hollering at you about you know, maybe giving you a few of these of mine to see if you can line them with some satin, because this is what I like to wear to work. A lot of times I don't like to wear my hair out, you guys, so I like to wear these to work, but maybe they need to be lined with a satin lining, because maybe that's causing the breakage. Because I'm seriously trying to remember, you guys, I haven't had my hair colored since May. So I haven't had, and I go to a professional stylist when it comes to my hair coloring. I don't try to experience anything in my kitchen or my bathroom. So I know she knows what she's doing. I don't know if it's coming from me either wearing the bandanas, me wearing these on the back of my nape, on the nape of my hair, you guys, and it's just causing some breakage and loss of hair. And like I say, you guys seen the pictures. I'll insert them again if needed. But definitely leave me some comments below. Let me know if you guys have ever experienced this. What did you do to nurse your hair back to health? Because of course, with you being natural, I don't see a professional stylist all the time. It is my responsibility to make sure that my hair is taken care of. So that's what I have to do. But anyway, you guys, I love you guys for watching this video. Please leave me some positive comments. Let me know what you guys have done in this case. If you've ever experienced, recommend me something as well. You guys know I'm still taking a biotin type peel to make sure that my hair is growing. Like I said, overall, my hair is healthy. It's just the nape of my hair. Either I'm wearing bandanas or these hats, and I sleep every night either on a satin pillow or a satin bonnet on my hair. So that's another thing. You got to make sure you are protecting your hair at night, because it will break off. I'm a living witness. So I got to find out what's going on with the back of my hair, you guys. what else? I do want to apologize to one of my subscribers. I have not yet even had a chance to reply, but I did see it. You guys know in the last video I did was a re-moisturize with me, a Bask and Bloom. And one of my subscribers was like, LJ, can you please, come back and show your results? I don't have Instagram, and it's kind of like me watching this video and not getting to see the results. I promise you, I can't remember who you are. I just remember the comment. I'll definitely be doing a full video on Bask and Bloom. I'm definitely going to be doing a one-on-one twist out video. I still have people wanting me to do a twist out video. If you want a twist out video, leave it in the comment section below. A one-on-one twist out video. And like I said, I'll do it with Bask and Bloom. That way that one particular subscriber or anybody else who doesn't have Instagram can see the beginning and end results. So again, apologize. Love you. I'm sorry. Forgive me. And I'll try not to do videos like that again, because I have to take in consideration everybody does not have Instagram. So I apologize. I do. But anyway, hair came out bomb, girl. I promise you it did. But I will be doing a one-on-one twist out video, and I promise you I will use Bask and Bloom so you can see the end result of that video. So leave that in the comment section below. If you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Y'all subscribe to my channel, okay? But anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.